everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova and welcome in Study with Nova. So today we will solve one's questions. We want to solve one's question about restaurant setting. Write a program that asks the user how many people are in their dinner group. If the answer is more than 8, print a message saying they will have to wait for a table, otherwise report that their table is ready. So this is add input and then using like if and else. So I think you must make it easy to just add number and then input, and then write for the ask how many people in your dinner group, and then if but the number is must in integer, and I just integer if number more than 8, then print a message saying they have to wait. Okay, print you have to wait, and then just anything else, the table is ready. And then print the table is ready, and then Python 3 restaurant setting, how many 5, table is ready, and then using H, table is ready, but using 9 you have to wait. Okay, done. Very easy actually, but you must add integer because the input must be in integer. If I don't add the integer, so the if else it didn't work because the number is must integer, so that they have apple to apple for this age. So that's why the input must be integer actually. But how if the people input is not integer? Actually, maybe like using string. This is string that you can get the value error because the input must be integer. But for the like advanced solutions, you just add if else, if not integers, exceptions, try, and an exception. I think it's very easy. It's not easy at all, but I try some I forget in the number 6, 7, 8 or 7, 9 we use like try and exception. So it is done. So we just add to I'm sorry, this is the terminal clear, and then you just add to your GitHub. Okay, it's good. Okay, people, what is integer input. Okay, done. Then let's try another question. I think maybe 1 or 2 questions about while. So bye.